Hello, lovely friends, and welcome to Soulful Kitchen. I'm so glad you're here today because we're diving into some truly stunning Mediterranean outdoor kitchen ideas that bring timeless charm and effortless style to your home. Whether you're dreaming of cozy gatherings or elegant entertaining, these ideas are sure to inspire. So, stay with me until the end of the video. You won't want to miss a single detail that could transform your outdoor space into a beautiful retreat. Let's get started and bring a little Mediterranean magic to your kitchen. Imagine stepping into an outdoor kitchen where warm terracotta tiles meet rustic stone countertops, all wrapped in the charm of wrought iron details and blooming bougainvillea. The golden sunset casts a soft glow, making every moment feel timeless and inviting. It's the perfect spot to enjoy peaceful evenings surrounded by nature's beauty and Mediterranean elegance. Picture a space filled with hand-painted blue and white ceramics, aged wood cabinetry, and natural stone arches. This kitchen feels both cozy and sophisticated, with a built-in fireplace adding warmth. Surrounded by lush greenery and fragrant herbs, it invites you to savor the simple pleasures of outdoor living in true Mediterranean style. Imagine limestone floors beneath your feet and soft beige stucco walls all around, with wrought iron pendant lights casting a gentle glow. A large stone pizza oven stands ready for gatherings, framed by jasmine and lavender that fill the air with their sweet scent. This kitchen is a peaceful retreat for timeless outdoor entertaining. Envision an outdoor kitchen where mosaic tiles in cobalt and turquoise create a stunning backsplash, paired with smooth marble countertops and dark wrought iron lanterns. Rustic wooden beams overhead add character, while vibrant red geraniums and olive branches complete the picture of Mediterranean charm and elegance. Step into a timeless kitchen with honey-colored stone and hand-carved wooden cabinets. Terracotta floor tiles warm the space, while a central island with a built-in grill invites you to cook and entertain effortlessly. Potted citrus trees and trailing ivy bring life and freshness to this inviting Mediterranean haven. Imagine soft cream plaster walls with arched stone niches displaying handcrafted pottery. Wrought iron bar stools with plush cushions offer comfort, and a large wood-fired oven promises delicious meals. Fragrant rosemary bushes and climbing vines add a touch of nature's beauty to this elegant Mediterranean kitchen. Picture a rustic stone countertop island surrounded by blue and white patterned tile flooring. Antique brass fixtures and open wood beam ceilings add warmth, while tall cypress trees and blooming lavender envelop the space in natural beauty, perfect for relaxed outdoor gatherings. Imagine terracotta flooring with intricate geometric patterns beneath your feet, natural stone walls all around, and wrought iron lanterns hanging softly. A built-in stone grill stands ready for cooking, while lush green potted plants and cascading bougainvillea create a serene Mediterranean atmosphere. Picture warm sandstone countertops with hand-painted tile accents in earthy tones. Wrought iron cabinetry details add character, and a cozy stone fireplace invites you to relax. Surrounded by olive trees and fragrant herbs, this kitchen embodies the heart of Mediterranean outdoor living. Step into an outdoor kitchen with elegant whitewashed walls and terracotta roof tiles. Ornate wrought iron light fixtures add charm, while a large stone cooking island offers plenty of space. Vibrant flowering plants and rustic clay pots bring warmth and life to this inviting Mediterranean setting. Imagine a stone archway entrance leading to a kitchen with patterned ceramic tiles in soft blues and greens. Dark wood cabinetry and a built-in grill create a perfect blend of function and style, surrounded by trailing ivy and fragrant jasmine that invite you to linger longer. Picture smooth limestone countertops and terracotta flooring with subtle mosaic inlays. Wrought iron pendant lights cast a soft glow under a rustic wood-beam pergola, while potted olive trees and lavender fill the space with fresh Mediterranean scents and timeless beauty. Imagine aged stone walls adorned with hand-painted blue and white tile accents. Wrought iron cabinetry with detailed scrollwork adds elegance, while a built-in stone oven stands ready. Lush green vines and terracotta pots complete this serene Mediterranean outdoor kitchen scene. Step into a kitchen with warm beige stucco walls and terracotta flooring. Ornate wrought iron lanterns light the way to a large stone island with a built-in grill. Fragrant rosemary and blooming bougainvillea add natural beauty, making this a perfect spot for outdoor entertaining. Picture natural stone countertops paired with hand-painted tile backsplashes featuring floral motifs. Wrought iron bar stools invite you to sit and relax near a cozy outdoor fireplace. Olive trees and climbing vines frame this classic Mediterranean outdoor kitchen with charm and grace. Imagine terracotta floor tiles in intricate patterns beneath smooth stone countertops. Wrought iron pendant lighting and rustic wooden cabinetry add warmth, while potted herbs and lush greenery bring life and fragrance to this inviting Mediterranean kitchen space. Step into a kitchen glowing with warm, honey-colored stone and hand-carved wood details. Blue and white ceramic tile accents add a splash of color, while a built-in pizza oven promises delicious gatherings. Vibrant flowering plants and olive branches complete this elegant Mediterranean outdoor kitchen. Picture soft cream plaster walls and terracotta flooring creating a warm foundation. Wrought iron light fixtures add charm, while a large stone cooking island invites culinary creativity. Fragrant herbs and trailing bougainvillea vines surround this beautiful Mediterranean outdoor kitchen. Thank you so much for joining me here on Soulful Kitchen. I hope you loved exploring these elegant Mediterranean outdoor kitchen ideas as much as I enjoyed sharing them with you. Remember, it's all about combining timeless charm with practical style to create a space you truly love. If you found inspiration or have your own ideas to share, please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more soulful design tips, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, happy cooking and happy living!